In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link to your Instagram profile. We'll keep it simple and clear, so by the end you'll have a clean link you can drop into a message, an email, or on a website. First, open Instagram in a web browser and head to your profile. You can do this on a computer or on your phone's browser. Either way works. Sign in if you're not already, then click or tap your profile icon to open your profile page. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your profile photo, your bio, and your grid of posts. If you manage more than one account, double-check the username displayed on the profile to make sure you're on the correct one. Next, look up at your browser's address bar and copy the full web address you see there. This is your shareable profile link. It should look like this: https://www.instagram.com/ your username. The part that says your username will be your actual Instagram handle. If you notice any extra characters after your username, like a question mark or additional symbols, you can remove everything after the trailing slash so the link stays clean and easy to read. A quick tip: copying with a right click or long press works, but keyboard shortcuts like Control or Command+C are often faster. Now you're ready to share it anywhere. Paste that link into a text message, an email signature, a chat app, a document, or your website. On social platforms that let you add clickable links, you can paste the URL directly. On platforms that require you to enter a website field, just drop the same link there. If you want it to look tidy in places like a blog post, you can hyperlink text such as "Find me on Instagram" and point it to your profile URL. Keep in mind that if your Instagram profile is set to private, people can still open the link, but they'll need your approval to see your posts and stories. If you ever change your username later, remember that your link will change too, so update it anywhere you've posted it, like bios, resumes, or business cards. And if someone says the link doesn't open, ask them to try a different browser or make sure Instagram isn't blocked on their network. One last helpful check: paste the link into a new browser tab to make sure it opens your profile exactly as expected. That's it. Open Instagram on the web, copy the profile URL from the address bar, and share it wherever you like. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.